Hello, I'm Nick from NKbaler. For over 20 years, we have been making high-quality baling machines for customers around the world. Our balers are used in over 60 countries, including North America, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. No matter where you are, we work to understand your needs and provide solutions that fit your industry. At NKbaler, we offer more than 60 baler models. Whether you need to compact cardboard, plastic, metal, or textiles, we have the right machine for you. We also make custom balers to meet your specific needs. Some customers ask about Chinese manufacturing quality. I can assure you, we use high-quality materials, advanced technology, and strict quality checks. Every baler is built to last. When you place an order, you can expect on-time delivery. Our skilled team and efficient production process help us keep our promises. After delivery, we offer technical support and spare parts to keep your baler running smoothly. Price is important, but the baler is an investment. Our machines are not just affordable, they are durable and cost-efficient in the long run. Businesses worldwide trust us because we focus on quality, reliability, and great service. Our goal is to help you manage waste better and save costs. Please browse our website to find the right baler for your needs. Our sales team is ready to help.